4's Anna Coles explains.
We paint bottoms, we provide mechanical, we pull engines, we pull drives.
Now her business, which has been here for over 10 years, is facing a lawsuit from people who live nearby. And she feels betrayed.
It is very stressful and disheartening. I've put a lot of time and effort into this community.
She says the folks who filed the suit are fired up about the noise, something they already complained to the city about. But city crews say it's okay.
They ran noise checks, noise variances. There was no problem.
She says that took the wind out of the neighbors' sails at first.
I'm a nuisance. They can't say I'm not following ordinances. They've been told by the city I am. So they decided to go with a civil action.
The lawsuit says the owners bought their condos with the expectation that the boat maintenance and service would be done inside, not outside. I did get a chance to speak to one of the residents here who asked to remain anonymous, but said one of the biggest problems they have is with the noise from the power washing.
Everyone knew when they purchased they were buying into a boatyard.
Molly's supporters agree.
It would be hard to miss the fact that there's a boatyard right next door.
Dennis works for Formula Boats, a company that sells boats right next door to Molly's. He says he'd have to move his business elsewhere if Molly's closed. He compares the impact on boaters to what diners might feel if they lost the businesses where they go.
It makes it a place like, how about if you wanted to go out to eat and there wasn't any restaurants in Naples?
He's one of many supporters of Molly's Boatyard. There's a petition with over 1,100 signatures showing support for Molly's marine service. Molly says it's a sign of just how many boaters and businesses would feel the impact if the lawsuit against her is successful.
There's going to be hundreds of people affected.
Anna Coles, Fox 4, in your corner.
Thanks, Anna. And we're told the people who are suing don't want to put Molly out of business, just want the noise to go down. Anna reached out to those neighbors' lawyer, but has not heard